Dami yung nakain, oh. Eating. What are you eating? Mango. With gulay. With, ano to? Beans, kalabasa, and ano pa yung isabi? Talong. Yum yum. Is it yummy? Yes, you like it? Hindi yummy? Yum yum yum. Very good po yan mag-eat. Hey! Yan, ang dami nang nakain. She's already full na. It's done! Paano yung done? Done! Dami yung nakain, oh. Very good ikaw, ah. Say bye!